Hello everybody. Today we're gonna show you how to create an A/B test in Klaviyo. So first thing, we gotta go to campaigns, and then just click on create campaign. Here you're gonna choose the type, click on continue. Now from here, just choose the email list you want, then click on next. Now from here, just choose your subject line. And click on create. Now from here, just click on next, or you can edit your email campaign right here with all of these, and then just click on next. Now from here, just click on create A/B test. Now from here, just input all the necessary details that is needed, and after that, click on next. Now here, just send or just schedule the email flow that you made, and after that, complete the A/B testing and you're done. Thanks for watching.